Across the vast plains of Shinar, Noah's descendants populate the landscape, their settlements scattered like stars in the early dawn. Among them rises Nimrod, a figure of unmatched strength, his presence commanding the open fields. With unparalleled skill, Nimrod hunts, his spear aimed true, striking down a wild boar with deadly precision. Villagers watch in awe as Nimrod returns, his leadership unquestioned, his prowess a beacon of hope and strength. Under the night sky, a blazing fire illuminates Nimrod's camp, where shadows dance wildly across the faces of his devoted followers. The flames mirror the burning ambition in their eyes, each heart beating in sync with Nimrod's powerful vision. Nimrod rises, his towering figure commanding attention as his voice booms through the night. "We will build kingdoms," Nimrod continues, his voice resonating with unwavering resolve. "Follow me, and we shall be mighty." Under the relentless sun, Nimrod stands as a towering figure, his gaze sweeping over the burgeoning city of Babel. The horizon is filled with workers, their movements a testament to tireless dedication as they erect the colossal city. The clamor of construction echoes through the air, a symphony of ambition and relentless effort. Nimrod's voice booms across the site, filled with pride. "This city will be a testament to our strength, a beacon of our power." The city rises, a physical manifestation of human ambition and collective might. Nimrod rises above the mass, idols of the stars and sun casting long shadows across Babel's central square. The crowd gathers, their faces a mixture of apprehension and growing arrogance. "Why worship a distant god? We are strong," Nimrod proclaims, his voice echoing with defiance. "We are capable. We will make ourselves gods," he declares, fueling the crowd's ambition. The idols loom, their shadows stretching like grasping hands over the assembly. A sea of faces turns upward, their expressions shifting from doubt to fervent belief. The Tower of Babel rises, a testament to human ambition against the vast sky. Laborers, silhouetted against the heavens, work tirelessly to raise the tower ever higher. Each brick is cemented with resolute determination, fueled by a shared dream. Nimrod, a figure of unwavering ambition, surveys the construction from the heights. His voice echoes with fervent command. "Higher! We must build higher, until we reach the heavens." The tower stretches towards the heavens, an audacious challenge to the divine. The Tower of Babel rises, a colossal monument piercing the heavens, dwarfing the world below. A tapestry of faces from every nation swarm across its surface, contributing to its relentless ascent. The rhythmic clang of hammers and the rasp of chisels echo, a symphony of ambition filling the air. Another man kneels, carefully chiseling a stone, his brow furrowed in concentration. Beneath the surface, a subtle unease stirs as whispers snake through the crowds, carrying seeds of doubt and fear. Whispers spread like shadows, casting a pall over the ambitious endeavor. The Tower of Babel, a symbol of unity, faces an unforeseen disruption. Confusion erupts as workers struggle to understand each other's words, their unity shattering. A mason's simple request for clay yields only water, fueling the burgeoning chaos. "What are you saying? I don't understand," a worker shouts, his face contorted in frustration. The construction site, once a symphony of coordinated effort, descends into discordant chaos. The sounds of labor are replaced by a cacophony of confused shouts, marking the dawn of discord. The Tower of Babel, a skeletal giant, looms unfinished against the sky as chaos erupts below. Workers flee in terror, their voices a jumbled cacophony of incomprehensible tongues. The grand vision of unity collapses into dust, leaving only shattered ambition in its wake. Nimrod stands amidst the pandemonium, his face etched with disbelief as his dream crumbles. His face is a mask of shock as he watches his once great ambition scatter like dust in the wind. Across the plains of Shinar, humanity splinters, scattering in a kaleidoscope of languages and cultures. Traditions become portable legacies, carried on shoulders and in hearts as they embark on new odysseys. The dispersal unfolds, a symphony of separation echoing across the vast, open land. From unity to divergence, humanity marches to the rhythm of a divine decree. The earth awaits, ready to embrace its new inhabitants, each carrying seeds of unique civilizations. The landscape transforms into a tapestry of tongues as God's command reshapes the world. The Tower of Babel looms, a monument to ambition shattered by divine decree. Its incomplete form serves as a stark warning, a testament to the ephemerality of earthly might. Winds whisper through the deserted city, carrying echoes of confusion and broken dreams. The ruined tower stands alone in the deserted city,